Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to collect emails, run newsletters, and automate campaigns, connecting Mailchimp to Squarespace is a smart move. So in today's video, I will show you exactly how to integrate Squarespace with Mailchimp in 2026. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. Well, first and first, log in to Mailchimp by going there and opening your account dashboard. Create or even select an audience. Make sure you have an active audience ready. Then it's time now to go to Squarespace here, tap on the website, go and log in using your email address and password. Then we're gonna go either to settings or email campaigns, for example. We also have automations here. We have multiple options. So let's go here. We have the meta excellent ads, SEO appearances, and every other detail. So basically it's your time now to connect the Mailchimp. We have the extensions, we're gonna tap on it, and this is it. Mailchimp email and SMS, tap on it, and basically connect it and authorize the access and the connection. Then add a sign up form. Insert a newsletter or form block on your page by going back to the edit pages on home, and make sure you put basically a place there. Then test the integration. Submit a test email and confirm it appears in Mailchimp. And that's the main idea. Use double opt-in for better email quality also. Segment audiences for targeted campaigns. Then customize the confirmation email. And that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.